न्यूयॉर्क में प्राइमरी इलेक्शन में डिस्ट्रिक्ट 9 ब्रुकलिन से कांग्रेस विमेन एवर्ट क्लार्क ने कामयाबी हासिल कर ली है। वॉइस ऑफ साउथ एशिया से खुसूसी गुफ्तगू करते हुए एवर्ट क्लार्क ने कहा कि उनकी कामयाबी में पाकिस्तानी कम्युनिटी का अहम किरदार है। उन्होंने मजीद क्या कहा, उन्हीं की ज़बानी सुनिए।
The Pakistani community who have built a coalition across Brooklyn. They stood by my side from the very beginning and built bridges across this district. The food truck, the work that was being done across the board is remarkable, and I am just totally thankful for all that has been done. The charitable way, the way that the women have organized and mobilized. I'm proud to represent the Pakistani American community because they have come of age in New York City, building community, building businesses, and also building relationships. And that's the critical part. I'm looking forward to going back to Washington because there are a number of concerns and issues, from the Muslim ban to the liberation of Kashmir, are very important concerns to my constituency, and I feel them in my heart as well. So I'm looking forward to going back to Washington, D.C., to be their voice, to lift up their concerns, and to make sure that they come and visit me in Washington, D.C. as well. It is important for me that the community knows what you have done, what you are building, and the power that exists within the Pakistani American community. I'm grateful.